Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to filter a multi-select dropdown feature in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're managing tasks or projects and need to see which items are assigned to specific people or categories, especially when one task can have multiple assignees. Let's start by opening your browser and navigating to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard, where you'll see all your files and documents. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to filter the multi-select drop-down menu feature. For this tutorial, I'm working with sample data that has two columns, one labeled employee and another labeled task. This setup will help us demonstrate how the filtering works in a practical scenario. First, we need to add the drop-down feature. Click on a cell in the employee column, then navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Drop-down. This opens up the drop-down configuration options where you can customize your list. Now it's time to change the item list to match your needs. In my example, I'm going to change option 1 to employee 1 and option 2 to employee 2. Here's the crucial part. Make sure you check the checkbox that says Allow multiple selections. This enables the multi-select functionality that makes this feature so powerful for collaborative task management. Once you've made these changes, click Done to save your settings. With your drop-down configured, click on the small blue circle in the bottom right corner of that cell and drag it downwards to apply the drop-down to all the cells below. Now you can click on each drop-down menu and assign employees to their respective tasks. You might notice that you can select multiple employees for a single task, which is exactly what we want. Now let's move on to the filtering part. Say I want to filter the data and show only the tasks assigned to employee 1. I'll create a column specifically for employee 1 to display these filtered results. Click on a cell in this new column and type =filter, then open parenthesis. Next, click on the range of tasks you want to filter, then add a comma. Now type search, then open parenthesis, and type employee 1 inside double quotation marks. Add another comma and select the range of the drop-down column we created earlier. Close the formula with two closing parentheses and hit the Enter key. And there you have it. The filtered list now displays only the tasks that have been assigned to employee 1, even if those tasks also have other employees assigned to them. This filtering method works seamlessly with multi-select dropdowns, giving you a clear view of who's responsible for what. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.